Morning children. Today we will be starting with our new chapter, that is the fractions. Chapter number 3. First of all, we must know about the types of fractions. First we have the unit fraction. In the unit fraction, the numerator will always be 1. 1 upon 2 like 1 upon 8, 1 upon 56 and so on. And after the unit fraction, you have the proper fraction. In the proper fraction, the numerator will be smaller than the denominator. Like for example, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 8 and so on. In the improper fractions, then the third one is your improper fraction. That is, in the improper fractions, the numerator will always be bigger than the denominator. That is 5 upon 4, 6 upon 3, 1 and 2 upon 9 and so on. In the mixed fraction, we have the whole numbers and the improper fractions. That is 1 whole and 1 upon 3. This 1 is the whole number and 1 upon 3 is the improper fraction. Then 4 whole, 5 upon 8, 3 whole, 6 upon 9. Such kind of fractions are known as mixed fractions. Then we have the like fractions. In the like fractions, all the denominators will be same. Like 3 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and so on. In the unlike fraction, all the denominators will be different. That 1 upon 5, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 8, 4 upon 9. After knowing all this, we will be starting with our exercise 3A. In the exercise 3A, our first question is write the fractions of the shaded part in the simplest form. When you have the simplest form, then if the fraction can be divided, you will divide the fraction. First we will see this figure. In this figure we have the 6 portions. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And when we see that only 2 portions are shaded here. So the number of the shaded portions will become the numerator and the rest of the total portion are the denominator. The total portions will be your denominators. So we will be getting the fraction 2 upon 6. See, since we can reduce this fraction, we will divide it by like this. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. And we will be getting 1 upon 3 as a fraction. And that will be your answer. After completing this, we will be going to the next question. That is, the next question of ours is, pick up the like fractions. Pick up the like fractions. Question number 2. Pick up the like fractions. In this question, the number of the fractions are written here. 2.5, like 5 upon 6 upon 7, 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 8. In this we will see that the like fractions, here we will see all the denominators. If the denominators are same, then those fractions will be the like fraction. In this you can see that 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 have the same denominator. So the like fractions are 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. This will be your answer. And next question, we have to see, sort out the proper and improper fractions. Sort out the proper and improper fraction. The proper and improper fraction and change the improper fraction improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now here first of all the different fractions are here. A is 3 upon 2, B is 5 upon 7, and then 9 upon 4, then 5 upon 6, and 7 upon A, B, C, D and E. 7 upon 3. Now here we will see that how we are going to do is that we have to see which one is the proper and which one is the improper fraction. If the denominators are bigger, then they are the proper fractions. First we will see the proper fractions. Proper fractions. Which are the proper fractions here? You see 3 upon 2, 5 upon 7, 9 upon 4, 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 3. So which denominators are bigger? 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 6 are the proper fractions. And the improper ones are improper fractions. कौन सी हैं आपकी? 3 upon 2 and then 3 upon 2, then 9 upon 4 and 7 upon 3. Now what we have to do, that we have to divide, make them into the mixed fractions. Then how we are going to divide, make the mixed fractions now? To make the mixed fractions, you have to divide the number. Now, out of the mixed, this improper fractions, we have to make the mixed fraction. First 3 upon 2 is there. In the rough work, you divide it by 3. 2 ones are 2. Now here we will get 1 here. So the whole number will be 1 whole 1 upon 2. This will be your mixed fraction. And of 9 upon 4, again you will divide it like this. And you will get 2 whole 1 upon 4 as a mixed number. Then 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 4, then 7 upon 3, again like this, 3 is 2 is 6, 1, this will be 2 whole 1 upon 3. These all are the mixed fraction, that is 1 whole 1 upon 2, 2 whole 1 upon 4 and 2 whole 1 upon 3. Like this we have to do the next question. After this, we will change the improper fractions into the mixed fractions. Again, the same type of question. Then we have the fill in the blanks. Fill in the boxes. Now, fill in the boxes is again a very simple one. We have to just see the fractions first, which kind of things we have to follow over here. First it is fill in the boxes. In the fill in the boxes, we have 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 dash here. Now, here it is a very simple one. This is, you see it is 6 here. Then you will divide the 6 by 2 and will get this 3. Now that means that we are multiplying it by 3 and we are getting 6. After this we will, in the equivalent, to make it an equivalent fraction, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. So here we will get 9. And that will be your answer. So this is the way we will do it. And next one is 8 upon 9 is equal to dash upon 63. Now here we see 9, we will divide it by 9 and we will be getting 7 here. That means we will multiply it by 7 and we will be getting 63 here, and in the dash block we will be getting 8 7s 56, and that will be your answer. After this we will be making two equivalent fractions. We will make the equivalent fractions. Write two equivalent fractions by using multiplication. In this you have 3 upon 4. We have to make the two equivalent fractions from 3 upon 4. That means we will multiply it by 2, 3 and 4, both numerator and denominator, and we will be getting 3 into 2, that is 6, and 4 upon 2 is 8. Then next fraction we will make 3 into 3 upon 4 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Now the answer will be 6 upon 8 and 9 upon 12. These two fractions we have made from the multiplication. In the same way, we can be doing the next question. Write two equivalent fractions using division method. Using division. In this is 36 upon 54. That is, you have to divide it by 2 first. 36 divided by 2 and 54 divided by 2. In the rough work you see you will get 36, 2 18s are 36. That is 18, and when we will divide 54, 2 2s are 4, we'll get 1, this will be 7 and 14, and it is 27, and that will be your answer. First, and then the second fraction it will be 36 divided by 3 and 54 divided by 3. And when we will divide it, we will be getting, when we divide 36 by 3, 3 ones are 3, then 2, that is 12 upon, when we divide it by 3, you will get 3 ones 3 minus 2, 4, 3 is 24, and this is 18. So the two fractions are 18 upon 27 and 12 upon 18. That's all in this, and we'll be doing some more questions relating to the fractions in the next video. Thank you.